Bacon. You guys, all right, let me do this. All right. Bacon. We never knew you. Yours was the sweet savor of a Saturday morning. Scintillating scent transcending space and perhaps time. Titillating taste, teasing tongue and perhaps mind. Placed on plates while I cleared the palate amongst taste buds you had pride of place, my mouth, your palace. Bacon. You who moved from forbidden fruit to breakfast staple. Oh, the hopeless emptiness when you were absent from the breakfast table. Devoured in a flurry of gobbledygook, we chowed and munched and gobbled. Now look, all that remains is a plate marked with grease stains and the unspeakable question lingering on our brains. Does it really come from a pig's rear end? I'm asking for a friend. My dear, dear friend Bacon, we never knew you. And perhaps that was for the best. Thank you.